This resource is a book titled I Live in Two Homes, Adjusting to Divorce and Remarriage by Sheila Stewart and Ray Simmons. The goal of this book is to show children that they are not alone in their situation and to inform other children about what it is like to live between two homes in shared care. The book is used as a conversation starter and helps to create a safe and comfortable environment for further discussions. The fictional story includes pictures which help to engage and support lower-level students. It explains that some children live with one parent sometimes and their other parent at other times, that it can feel confusing and sad when you have to leave one parent to be with the other, that they have a bedroom that is different at each house. On this page, the girls are introduced to their dad's new girlfriend and her daughter. One of the girls expresses that it feels strange for her and that some things can be hard to understand. Importantly, the children are reassured that even though they are going through a lot of changes, their mum and dad will always be their mum and dad and will always love them. The girls discover that when their dad marries his new friend, they will need to share a room when they are at his house, and that they will always have to share their dad too. They soon discover that the girl who would soon be their sister was also worried about the changes, and they decided they should be friends. They began to realise that while things will never be the same again, they would still be good, just in a different way. The following informative pages can be used to inform the educator of appropriate language and ideas during discussions, and by children who would like to know more. The What Happens Next section is particularly relevant for a shared care focus, encouraging children to believe that things will start to feel normal again and that they will get used to their new world, while still acknowledging the difficulties they face in having two homes and how having different rules at each house is hard for the children and the adults and can cause problems for lots of families. The book ends with a list of suggested open-ended questions, the first two of which are particularly relevant to extend the learning, sharing and understanding of shared care in families.